Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Paraini. I will explain today about natural instructional design. First, definition of instructional design is the creation of instructional materials. So this field goes beyond simply creating teaching material. It carefully considers how students learn and material and method will most effectively help individuals achieve their academic goals. Next, process and characteristic. So, process and characteristic. Instructional process describe the instructional activities that provide the means through which students will achieve the stated objective of a course. Instructional process must be descriptive of the strategies and methods employed in the course. So, the 7 characteristics of instructional design. Number 1 is a student-centered process, is a goal-oriented process, is a creative process focused on meaningful experience, assumes outcomes are measurable, valuable, and valid. Next is an empirical, iterative, and self-correcting process. And last, typically is a team form. Taxonomy in learning. The story of learning taxonomy. Taxonomy comes from the Greek taxein, means to classify, and nomos, which means rule. Taxonomy means end-to-end classification of something or the principle that underlies a classification of living beings, stationary objects, places, and events to the ability to think can be classified according to several taxonomic schemes. Basic concept of learning taxonomy. Looking at Hamza Bino's work, there are several definitions put forward by experts, namely number 1, Robert F. Meagher. Learning objectives are behaviors that are to be achieved or that can be done by students at certain conditions and levels of competence. Number 2, there are Kemp and David Capel. Learning objectives are a statement that is expressed in behavior or appearance which is manifest in writing to describe the expected learning outcomes. Number 3, there are Henry Ellington. Learning objectives are statements that are expected to be achieved as a result of learning. Next, Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's taxonomy was first compiled by Benjamin S. Bloom in 1966. In this case, the objectives of education are divided into several domains or regions, and each of these domains is subdivided into a more detailed division based on its hierarchy. Educational goals are divided into 3 domains, namely 3. First, cognitive domain, and second, affective domain, and third, psychomotor domain. Cognitive domain. The cognitive area is an area that discusses learning objectives with mental process that originate from a higher level of knowledge, namely evaluation. The cognitive area consists of six levels, namely there are knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Affective domain. The affective area is a domain related to attitude, value of interest, appreciation and adjustment of social feelings. There are 5 affective levels, namely first, willingness to accept means the desire to pay attention to a particular symptom or the signs such as the desire to read books, listen to music or associate with people of different race. Next, willingness to respond, obeying rules, participating in class discussion, completing laboratory assessment, or helping others. 3. Believing appreciation for something, a scientific attitude or seriousness to carry out a social life. For the application of works in acceptance of various different value systems based on a higher value system, such as realizing the importance of harmony between rights and responsibilities, being responsible for what has been done, understanding and accepting on strength and weakness. Okay, last, number 5, persistence and thoroughness means that individuals who already have a value system always align their behavior according to the value system they hold, such as being objective towards everything. Okay, next, psychomotor, the mind. The psychomotor area relates to skill that are manual or motoric. The psychomotor level include perception with regard to the use of the sense in carrying out activities. Example is recognizing engine failure from the sound that is faltering. Next, read means to carry out an activity with regard to doing an activity or state, including mental state or mental reading, physical state or physical readiness, or emotional readiness, willing to take an action. Next, mechanism with regard to the range of response that have been studied and become habit, so the more movement sound indicate proficiency. Example, handwriting, dancing, arranging the laboratory, and organizing the class. Okay, then last, got response with regard to imitating or following, repeating action ordered or shown by other, doing trial and error activities. Okay, thank you.